Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. I have this 2013 Volvo XC70, and well, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick in this vehicle, and after that, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Before I forget, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Alright, and after the oil change, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright, hey, tip of the day: when you drive and you see your steering wheel shaking like this, that means you have a bad tire and you have to replace the tire. You need a new tire. If the steering wheel is shaking like this badly, and it's pulling to the right or to the left, that means you have a worn out tire, a pretty bad tire. Alright, so it's time to replace it. Just go to the front of your vehicle, check the front tires, and see which one is more messed up. The one that is more messed up is the one that is causing this shaking. So you gotta replace that. That's the tip of the day. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this 2013 Volvo XC70. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the clip. Catch you up later. Alright? Hala, Urum, Astu. Hey! Hey, how you doing, guys? I'm back. Stu is back. I hope you like how to do the oil change in this 2013 Volvo XC70. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset, and for that I have my scanner to back me up. Alright, because I've seen that a lot of people get it twisted, don't know how to do it and all that. Well, I'm gonna show you how to do all that. Alright, watch this. It says turn the ignition to position 1. So now it's off, it's shut down. That's 1. Okay, now it says make sure that the trip meter is on T2. That's T2. If you press this guy right here, that's T1, T2. If you press it again, okay, T1, T2. Then it says press and hold the trip meter reset button. Press it, then turn the key to the position 2. Position 2 is you have to press it and hold it. Watch, press it and hold it. That's position 2. Okay, then continue to hold the trip meter reset button until the original value has been reset. Release the reset button for the trip meter within 4 seconds. The gauge cluster will beep when resetting has completed. That's pretty much it. Alright, well, I hope you like it, and I hope this video was very helpful for you. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please the feedback put in the comment box for me, and I can try up later. Holla at your boy, Stu. Hey.